The Toyota Land Cruiser is back. After a brief hiatus in the US market, this legendary off-road icon makes a triumphant return for 2025. But this time, it's different. More efficient, tech-savvy, and built with a focus on modern versatility while retaining its rugged DNA. Welcome to Future Fuel. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. Introduction to the new model. The 2025 Land Cruiser represents a new chapter in Toyota's storied history of adventure-ready vehicles. The latest model showcases a retro-modern design, inspired by the classic 60 series, while adopting cutting-edge technology and hybrid power. Toyota aims to appeal to both off-road enthusiasts and urban adventurers, blending heritage with modernity. The exterior design is where nostalgia meets innovation. It sports a boxy and upright silhouette, paying homage to Land Cruisers of the past. The front end features a bold grille with integrated LED headlights and a distinctive Toyota badge. Squared-off fenders, a high ground clearance, and rugged skid plates emphasize its off-road capability. At the rear, you'll find vertical tail lights and a tailgate designed for practicality, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. The Land Cruiser is available in two-tone paint options, adding a modern touch to its retro-inspired look. Powering the 2025 Land Cruiser is a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid engine paired with Toyota's iForce Max system. This setup delivers an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 Lt of torque, offering both power and efficiency. With this hybrid configuration, the Land Cruiser stays true to its reputation for reliability while addressing modern environmental concerns. The powertrain is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal performance. And, of course, it features a robust 4WD system with a locking center differential and low-range gearing, making it a true off-road warrior. Buzz? Speaking of off-road, the Land Cruiser remains a champion in this department. Built on Toyota's TNGA-F platform, it combines a sturdy body-on-frame construction with enhanced suspension for superior durability. Advanced off-road features include multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a new front stabilizer bar disconnect function. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, muddy paths, or snowy landscapes, the Land Cruiser is designed to handle it all with confidence. Ding stop. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that balances ruggedness with refinement. The 2025 Land Cruiser offers seating for up to 5, with durable yet comfortable upholstery options. The dashboard features a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system equipped with Toyota's latest software, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers will appreciate the digital instrument cluster, while off-road enthusiasts can benefit from the multi-view terrain monitor for enhanced visibility on challenging trails. The inclusion of Toyota Safety Sense ensures peace of mind with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Dinators. One of the biggest changes for the 2025 Land Cruiser is its focus on efficiency. The hybrid powertrain allows it to achieve an estimated 27 mpg combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its class. Despite its improved economy, it doesn't compromise on capability, with a towing capacity of up to 6,000 pounds. Price and trim options. Toyota offers the 2025 Land Cruiser in 3 trims: the base Land Cruiser 1958, the mid-level Land Cruiser, and the premium First Edition, limited to just 5,000 units. Starting at around $55,000, the Land Cruiser remains competitively priced for a vehicle of its caliber. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is more than just a vehicle. It's a legacy reimagined. It brings back everything enthusiasts love about the Land Cruiser: durability, off-road prowess, and iconic styling, while embracing the future with modern tech and a hybrid heart. If you're looking for a versatile SUV that can conquer any terrain while offering comfort and efficiency, the new Land Cruiser is ready to lead the way. Thank you for tuning into Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. See you in the next video.